Thanks, Bruce. Well, tonight in medical rounds with the continued rise in opioid-related deaths in Connecticut, Hartford Healthcare's behavioral health network has taken action by using recovery coaches to help those who are facing addiction find treatment. And joining us now is Pat Rehmer. She is the Senior Vice President of the Behavioral Health Network at Hartford Healthcare to tell us more about this successful and potentially life-saving program. Hi, Pat.
Hi, good evening.
Nice to hear you this time. Well, I understand recovery coaches are available 7 days a week in emergency departments all across the Hartford healthcare system. So tell us exactly, what is the role of a recovery coach?
That's right. So recovery coaches are individuals with lived experience, usually in recovery from substance use themselves, and they go through training, and then they come to our emergency rooms when somebody is either seeking substance abuse treatment, or after perhaps an opioid overdose, and meet with the individuals to help them with their recovery and help them get into treatment if that's what they want.
What if the person is not interested in seeking further treatment at the time that they enter the emergency department?
So if somebody's not interested at that time, the recovery coaches carry cards with their name and number. They ask the individual if it's okay for the recovery coach to call them the next day, and if the individual's willing to accept those calls, the recovery coach will call them and follow up for as many days as the individual's willing to talk with them.
How successful has the program been since its inception?
So the program has seen over 900 individuals across the state of Connecticut since its inception, and they have had enormous success. They've gotten about 97% of the individuals that they've seen reconnected to their recovery into some form of treatment, whether it's a detox, an intensive outpatient treatment, whatever it is that they need. It's been very successful.
And I understand that Hartford Healthcare also has match programs throughout the state located in suburban areas. Tell us more about that part of the program.
So Rushford Center developed match programs, medication-assisted treatment close to home, which we first started in the suburban areas, Avon, Glastonbury, Cheshire, to make treatment available to individuals who are struggling with substance use disorders. And we really focus on medication-assisted treatment because we know from the research that people who do use that, which is Suboxone, Vivitrol, a number of different medications, they have an 87% better chance of actually staying in recovery, remaining clean and sober. So between these two programs, between the recovery coaches and the match programs or treatment programs, we know that people can and do recover.
Pat Rehmer, thank you so much for sharing your valuable information tonight. And if you need help or you know someone who might be battling an addiction, treatment can help. You can call the Hartford Healthcare Match Program. The number there on your screen, it's 1-855-825-4026.